Medical News Roundup, November 6, 2025. The World Health Organization has launched a major new global agenda to strengthen clinical trials for children, highlighting the urgent need for more research to address gaps in pediatric health worldwide. In the United States, the federal government doubled annual funding for AI-driven pediatric cancer research to $100 million. Aiming to fast-track advances in diagnosis and treatment for childhood cancer through artificial intelligence integration. Scientists at Weill Cornell have discovered that damaging free radicals from brain cells can fuel dementia, but new experimental drugs slowed inflammation and brain cell damage in animal studies. A breakthrough step in dementia research. A new portable MRI scanner, cleared by the FDA this year, lets doctors perform fast, radiation-free brain scans directly at a patient's bedside, revolutionizing stroke and trauma care. Especially in resource-limited settings, researchers at Virginia Tech have shown that memory loss and aging may actually be reversible, using gene editing tools to restore memory in older animal models, a promising sign for future treatments. On the drug innovation front, a candidate called CMX410 has shown a unique approach to tackling even drug-resistant tuberculosis, opening the door to better global TB control. Recent studies warn long-term melatonin use may increase heart risks, as researchers found higher rates of heart-related hospitalizations and deaths among chronic users. Artificial intelligence combined with cutting-edge protein research has helped diagnose and explain the origins of Crohn's disease, a breakthrough for millions living with chronic digestive illness. The U.S. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services is partnering with every state to transform rural healthcare, providing new funding and tools to improve access and outcomes for underserved communities. Eyes could reveal how fast a person is aging. Study. Eye scans can be a non-invasive method for predicting a person's risk of developing heart disease and determining biological aging. Scientists analyzed retinal scans, genetic data, and blood samples from over 74,000 participants. They found people with less branched blood vessels were at high risk of cardiovascular diseases and showed signs of aging, like higher inflammation and shorter lifespan. Prompt chest and abdominal X-rays are recommended for children under 4 years presenting with unexplained hematemesis to rapidly identify button battery ingestion, minimize diagnostic delays, and improve clinical outcomes. Unwitnessed button battery ingestion poses a serious risk in children under 4, especially those under 2. A review of 15 studies with 41 cases found common symptoms such as dysphagia and hematemesis, with frequent diagnostic delays caused by misidentification as coins. Chest and abdominal X-rays are essential for rapid diagnosis, reducing delays and improving clinical outcomes in affected children.
Acta pediatrica.
Among adolescents with obesity and type 2 diabetes who exercise for at least 3 hours per week, more exercise appears to be associated with fewer symptoms of depression, according to research presented at the European Academy of Pediatrics, AP 2025. Medscape. These headlines capture the pulse of today's biggest medical breakthroughs and policy shifts, keeping you informed and empowered wherever you are in the world. Disclaimer: use the content after your own responsibility.